I'm nervous today because I'm gonna perform my very first oil change on my 2023 Hellcat jailbreak. It's definitely not Ruby's first oil change, but I've had a few negative experiences already with the dealership. Like the last time they disconnected my dash cam, which they had absolutely no reason or need to, but I think we all know why they disconnected it. So that's the last time I'm taking Ruby into the dealership, and I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna start doing the oil changes on my own. So if you checked out last week's video, I actually showed you how I made these wheel grips. The Hellcat's been sitting on them since then, and I'm pretty impressed with the fact that they have not bent at all. So I think it's safe to say that I will have no issues laying underneath the Hellcat or it falling over on me, because I wanted to make sure that the wheel grips were nice and sturdy. So I'm pretty happy with how cheap that project was and how easy it was to accomplish. Before I start the oil change, I first need to warm up the Hellcat. Don't worry, I'll open up the doors right now to let some fresh air in, but I did want to show you the oil that I'll be using today. According to Dodge, the best oil that you can use on your Hellcat is the Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 0W-40. So I bought 7 quarts in total for the oil change today. All right, now that she's cooled down, let's go ahead and open up the hood. It's so tall, like it's so ridiculously tall. This does not feel right. Probably gonna need 2 hands here. Also, it's dirty, don't judge. There we go. Okay, now I need to remove the skid plate. So I need to scooch on under here. What I'm looking for are these arrows. So there's 1, where's the 2? 2, but that's missing, and 3's right here, and 4 is right underneath me. I'm gonna guess that this is a 10mm, so let's try that out. I'm gonna hold on to this with my knees just because I know there's gonna be debris under here and I don't want this falling on me. So we're gonna hold on to this with my knees for now. This is a nice surprise. It says SRT with the Hellcat logo on here. So this right here is our drain plug, and we have our oil filter there. So we need to first loosen this up to drain out all the oil in there. Perfect. And to help release some of the pressure, we're gonna open the cap as well. And to help remove the oil filter, I did get this swivel oil filter wrench. Now, hopefully this is the right size, but we'll find out right now. All right, I see it moving, you guys. Okay, we're good. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. Okay, cool. Slowly, slowly, just let it drip in there. Okay. While that finishes draining, I did buy an OEM oil filter. So what I'm gonna do is just use a little bit of oil around here and along the sides here before we install this one. Just put a little bit on the cap so I don't spill. And just gonna use that to kind of prime the new one. We're good there. Just clean this up now. Time to put this guy back in. Okay. There it goes. All right. Now that we put the oil in, time to start the car. So let me do the kill switch real quick and then put the brake on. I've been keeping an eye and we have no oil leaks. We'll double check right now when we get underneath, but it's time to reinstall the skid plate. It is warm down here, but yeah, I don't see any oil leaks. I can show you. So there's our oil filter and the plug. So I think it's safe to say we're good. Oh, it's warm down here. I did want to mention that the plug was a 13 millimeter, while the skid plate was a 10 millimeter. Now, all that's left is to lift Ruby off of the wheel grips and then we can put her back on the ground. My first oil change was a success. I'm really proud that I was able to learn a new skill set. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Definitely a few learning curves, but nothing major. And honestly, it was more simple than I thought it was going to be. Also, I did want to mention that I'm honestly really impressed with these wheel grips. I'm really happy with the way they turned out. Now, I do want to paint them black or even stain them black later down the line, but Ruby needs a shower and so do I. It's really hot today. But I just want to thank you for watching today's video and joining my journey with me. Please like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. I know somebody's gonna tell me I did something wrong. Like I said, I'm new to this, okay? So if you have any constructive feedback, let me know. I'm always open to that. But again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe.